Meanwhile, veteran MVP coach Team Francis is banking on Jamaican athletes to do well at the upcoming Olympic Games in Paris and says it's a very hopeful situation.
I don't see how it is as disastrous as some people seem to think. I think we will be able to get medals in a lot of sprint events, women, and with men, hopefully parchment and broad belt comes on, but they have the ability to come on. The Rochelle and the other hurdlers are certainly leading the fight for the bronze medal in the 4 hurdles, and we're always hoping that Shanika Ricketts will recapture her form. We have, of course, 3 long jumpers. So it's not as bleak as a lot of people think.
However, as for triple jumper prodigy Jaden Hibbert, Francis was hoping he would have competed more against
the approach is the same as they seem to have had in college. And these Europeans, who are the main people in the triple, their approaching is quite differently. I don't understand how or why he chooses to compete against people whose their best is 16:10 or 16:20, as opposed to trying to get competitions with the best people in the world. But my position is that we see how it works out, and then we see, but that certainly wouldn't be my approach.